lana ukuze uphumela kulamaceke sifuna imali engaka lobole lo muntu
bathi bafuna imali
ekulaf 20,000
madoda
kumele ngikhiphe same time lapho ulobola lo muntu
so ulobola isidumbu kahle
so mina ngilobola isidumbu ufike kanjani empilweni nami they don't care so mina ngilobola isidumbu ngathi no ngeke yenzeke lento ngathi makuliwa kakuliwa once omunye wakhipha igamelo ukuthi hayi uma ungafuni ukuthi ukukhipha le mali esifunayo is fine so hamba sokhupha ithuna uzozilandela amalobolo ngokwakhe
sure Brother SK, how are you?
Ngiyaphila.
Good to see you, man.
Ngiyabona.
Yeah, I'm happy that you were able to make time for us so that you can get to share with us what you've been through social media, a platform called TikTok. Not a lot of people get to go through what you went through. But before we get to the story, please tell me about yourself. Who are you? Where are you from?
Yeah, igama SK sibonga sakomoyo.
Yeah.
Ngibuya eZimbabwe, ePlumtree.
Okay.
Yeah. Umuntu nje I'm a simple guy. Yeah.
You're a simple guy who just wakes up, go to work, come back.
Yeah.
Relax, chill.
I'm not doing a lot of things.
Yeah.
I'm just
no drinking, going out, having fun.
No. I'm just inside door.
Yeah. There's a lot that happened to you, whereby you met a lady on TikTok. So you stay in Johannesburg. The lady stayed in Durban, but the lady found herself in Johannesburg. Can you please take us through of what really happened?
Okay. Lo muntu enzokhuluma ngaye. Umuntu ongasekho emhlabeni. Akalali ngoxolo. Umuntu besebenza eDurban olalo. Mina ngihlala eJozi eDurban angiyazi. Umuntu ohlala lapha eJozi eBro. Then kuma social media ke kakhulu ku TikTok. Then ku TikTok ngixoxela abantu abaningi endisengiyazi abantu abaningi esengibazi ngamehlo enyama. So they busy ngama live yiko lapho specialize khona. Then satholana lapho lalo muntu. Then ukutholaneni kwakhe ngokomsebenzi wase shift from Durban to eJozi. Then lapho ke aseqala ukungithinta ukuthi no, I have a problem. Ngiyambuza ukuthi problem, what kind of a problem are you have? Athi no, sengishifte from Durban sengisebenzela la. So I don't have indawo yokuhlala. That time uthi no, kimi ngicela ifavor. Noma ungangihlalisa kuwe for 2 weeks. And then inyanga mayiphela ngikwazi ukuyofuna yami indawo. Yiko kumthatha kwami ke. Okay, it's fine. Singakhona ukuthi ngikusize na. Ngoba nami ngiyakholelwa ekusizeni kwabantu. I find a problem from there. Mayefika lo muntu uyazi nawe inhliziyo nyeke kube yazi ukuthi ugayile izibozo esinjani. Mayefika kwami endlini, okay, I'm planning ukuthi singahlala kanjani mina naye.
Wena bawuhlala uyi-1 bawungahlali nomuntu
wakho? Yeah, ngihlala ngi-1.
Okay.
Umuntu wami nje bekhona, but kube umuntu ovakashayo.
Beyanganenkinga ukuthi wena manje uzohlala nomunye uCherry.
Cha, lokho beqiniso bengamtshelanga.
Okay.
Bensithi ngisazomchazela ukuthi no, sengisenza into eso manje. Ngaleso sikhathi vele sekuvile ube ne problem. Yena wathi efika uyazi umuntu esifazana njani. Ngoba ngumuntu okhumula phambi kwami.
Awungitshele bafo, lo muntu lo ukhulume wathi wena wenza ama TikTok live. And sometimes nami nginayo TikTok, sometimes I get people DMing me on TikTok. But how did you guys meet on TikTok? You were doing a live and then she requested to see you so that you can have like a dual screen whereby uyakhuluma naye uyakhuluma no need to ni live at the same time?
Kuma live laphana bayakwazi ukudm and then umuntu akucela inamba yakho and then siliyakwazi ukucommunicate private.
Okay.
Indlela esenza ngakhona sometimes uthola ukuthi sinokwenza ama get together omunye athi hayi guys sesiyazana sifuna siyazane more, let's do a get together sikhipheni, and then we do that, so we share ama numbers and then we go we get together and then sebekwazi ukuthi what kind of a person I am. So kunjalo njengoba ngisisho ukuthi kuma lives abantu abaningi sebengazi, kunabantu abakhomentayo ngami ukuthi what kind of a person I am mase bembona live, ngoba ngi-actor different ku TikTok, umuntu wase TikTok, and otherwise ngale sengomunye umuntu, so they surprised ukuthi ngapha ku TikTok ngiyabheda and then ngapha ngi-right. Yabona ngoba ku TikTok ngiyayibhedela vela ngiyazi, ngapha sengumuntu right. So that person wazwa ngalo ama comment ukuthi hayi this person umuntu right akuyena lo muntu. Omunye washo ukuthi hayi ngeke ngamsiza naye isikhathi esiso enehlakalo into eso, so he take that thing ukuthi okay this person umuntu osiza naye, and then approach me ngicela usizo ke nda sengisiza kade sengifaka inkingeni ngayikwaza ngowami. So after that mayifika endlini songumuntu okhumulayo uyayizela yena empedeni, yazi ngamajita siyalingeka sometimes ngase ngilingeka ke.
So makafika imancane yazini I understand what you've been through, but lo muntu lo angithi wena lo cherry lo makafika when already so nomuntu, did you not try to ukuthi okay lo sisi lo mina naye asizwani on that level whereby siyathandana? Did you not maybe try ukuthi umnikeze ukuthi no uzolala lapha mina ngizolala khona la empedweni, or maybe vice versa? Did you guys agree on that?
Okay, to that question ngi-answer kahle. Yabona izinto mazenzeka fast kunzima ucabanga leso sikhathi. That time ngilomuntu ngithi okay ufuna ukuthi maybe ngithathe ingubo ngitshela ukuthi awuzolala la, ngisocabanga ukuthi okay ngizokwenza kanjani lokho. Already umuntu sekakhumulile phambi kwami and uyizela empedeni straight game. So i-challenge akaba nayo first time ngaleyo ndlela, then leyo challenge kwahle wacima ibane game. That time ngisacabanga ukuthi kumele ngiyezeni ngidlalele lana, ngitshela ukuthi hayi okay njengoba sesiqedile ukudla okay sifayile uzocopha lana wena until ukuze ufike lesi sikhathi sizokwenza kanje. Angisatholanga i-chance yokuchaza ukuthi hayi lana endlini sizohlala kanjani. Wavele yena wayenzani shortcut wayizela yena nga
same day makafika,
same day. Yikho ke kulingeka kwami lokho okwaba khona. After that ngaba nama challenges amaningi kakhulu. Got that person ngichazele yonke into ukuthi nginomuntu engiphila naye, umuntu engiphila naye siphila kanje nakanje nakanje, la endlini uza ngalesi sikhathi lalesi. So after that kwajika izinto, ngoba ngumuntu ke manje against me, ngumuntu osengithreatena. Or before ngithi even threaten wasegula, utegula waseyalaliswa esibhedlela. Ayive challenge manje ukuthi ngisuke emsebenzini ngiyobhekana naye, ngimbheke esibhedlela aphume. Okay it's fine, suphumile and I feel guilty ukuthi mangathi no 2 weeks yakusiphelile ngahamba usesemenza ogula akabi right, so I'm waiting ukuthi lasemzimbeni aqine akaphume. That time I have another challenge again. Sengumuntu ke ongasafuna ukuphuma la endlini, sengitshela ukuthi lapha kokwakhe. ngiyambuza ukuthi isivumelwano sami nawe isiphi, savumelana ukuthini, isicelo sakho sithini, akasayimameli le. So kumele ngimamele lento aseyisho manje. Yazi thina abantu besilisa, if umfazi maye ngayeve challenge noma senza into something, we having a challenge, anything happens, and uza end up usejele or end up usuthathelwa yonke into naye. So I'm fighting now. Akamanga lapho lo muntu. After that wenza lezo zinto akasafuna uphuma endlini. Nawe girlfriend siyakwazi ukuthi kulento eyiso. So kuforced ukuthi ngithathe ngizohlala nabo phansi. Sengizwa ke enkingeni kanje. Girlfriend ya understand ukuthi no, sekwenza ke so. Okay, wena yenza ukuthi lo uyalwa. After that sengumuntu osethatha impahla zami. Usehamba nazo kophi enyangeni. It's another challenge again.
The following day, when you guys woke up, did she try maybe go to that interview, or because ukutshela ukuthi usothola umsebenzi khona la eGoli, did she even go to that work?
Anzange ngithole leyo chance ukuthi ngiyenze lento, ngoba after that second day kwavele kwashintsha yonke into. Sengumuntu against me automatically. If ngiyabona ukuthi mangi ngamphusha physically, he end up kuthiwa ngimrephile. So now so kumele ngidlale nginye ingqondo ukuthi to fight ngingaziboni sensenkingeni. And akuphelanga kanjalo ngoba yelo continue esenza into as different. And ngaleso sikhathi sengifacana nalento ezinjalo. Useyazana nefamily yami. One of the member of my family uyamthatha yibona abahamba enyangeni.
One of your family members?
Yes.
Kanjani?
Was lot of things ezizakalayo. So umuntu wasesilwa yonke into yase against me. I understand ukuthi okay, so kanje now sokumele ucabange mina ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani kulento. Ngisacabanga ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani kulento, sekune fake ye pregnancy. After that
bathi wena umithisi.
Yeah, utshela ini family members. Akusikho lokho. So after that kuyenzakala lezi zinto, uyabuyela back to esibhedlela. Sebuya enyangeni yonke lento process le yaseyenzile ukuthi kushawe mina ingabe le life. And leso sikhathi uyenza kanjalo. Kunabantu asesondelane nabo abaku TikTok again, abangabangani bami futhi again, obaze ngami washiye batshela ukuthi I want to destroy life yalo muntu. They come to me again sithi indoda,
yeah,
ubheke la sekunenkinga la. Ngathi ngiyayibona leyo nkinga, ngisadinga ukuthi ngiyophuma kanjani ngoba lo muntu akasazanga ukuthi udinga usizo, uzodestroya ilife yami. Nalento abayikhuluma ngabantu ukuthi ngingumuntu onjani, I want to destroy everything esegameni lami. Ngazama ukulwa nayo leyo nto, ekulweni nayo usesibhedlela. Akula muntu wakubo, I don't know ifamily yakhe, akula muntu wakubo obabheka esibhedlela. It's me engijima ngisalapha. Nasesibhedlela bayazi mina. Akula family obuzayo, yonke umthwalo osubhekane nami. Ngaya lapha esibhedlela, ngiyombona everything, ngabatshela abasesibhedlela ukuthi I'm trying to find a family. Akakhulumi nefamily yakho ukuthi kuphi, akanikeze itsho nama details. ukuthi anything can happen lapha ngizobathola njani. Uyahide everything. Yena ubusy ngokudestroy life yami. Mangisabheka le process ukuthi okay, ngisafudingana le family ukuthi babuye bazojani, bazobheka lo umuntu wabo. Because mina anginawo wonke ama powers ngalo muntu. Ngoba sekanje seyidinga umndeni. Mangisabheka ukuthi badinga umndeni, uthatha i-picture girlfriend yami, uyifaka ku Facebook as a profile picture. I request back i-girlfriend yami. Ngithole isibuya ngapha. Girlfriend tibheka umuntu wakho. Ngibuyele ngiyakuye. Yini lento siyenza? Ade ngiyaxolisa. Ngisabheka ukuthi wena suka lapha endlini uthola indawo and then ukusize ungaphandle but awufuna uphume endlini. Nawe usuyenza lokho. Yini inhloso yakho? Athi no ngiyaxolisa. Ngiphuma. Second day ngifolo ngama number 3. Sengidingelwe abantu abazobulala mina. Ngiyathreatenwa futhi again ngapha ngabantu bakhe. Osebathengile ukuthi abazoshaya mina, banikeza ne-address. Ngihlala kuphi? Room number 1. Those people they are busy banthreaten. Bangifonela ngiyababuza bathi uzosibona kahle. Udlala ngengane zabantu wena. Manje lapho ufike omlindi uyagcina. Uzosibona kahle. Okay. Sengiyathreatenwa manje. Ngithreatenela ukusiza umuntu. Nawe sokuyimisa inkingeni. Okay, it's fine. Ngayiyeke njalo. Akuphelanga 3 days. Ngiqeda kuyenza lento, ngiyathreatenwa wadlula emhlabeni.
Bayakufonela esibhedlela bathi
sekungama families.
Okay.
Banthreatena as a family ukuthi bayifamily yalomuntu. Na likhona njoba lenya omunye lo ngathi I think ube ngithandazi. Ngoba ube ngitshela impela ethi hayi akula lapho ngaya khona. Ngizokudinga emoyeni ngizokuthola. Okay. Uyongidinga emoyeni uzongithola. Sekashonile. Sengifonela back those numbers at threaten. Okay. Njobe lengithreatena ngalo muntu akasekho emhlabeni. Sengidinga ifamily. Yibona abawuyabheka kimi. Cha mfowethu. Lo muntu asimazi sasithengiwe.
Madoda.
Kwanthatha 3 days to find straight family. Ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthatha lelo thambo ngilise kwabakubo. Kunjalo sokumele njani ngithathe leli thambo. Ngithole ifamily. I find another challenge again. Ifamily now. Ifamily yami sembhekane nalento. Bhalwa phansi. Umfazi kabana akasekho emhlabeni. And I don't know. Akulanto engayala. Cause lo mthwalo usuphezu kwamandla ami. Now I need ukuthi ngifake igama lami kulento ukuze ngithole nami ukusizeka. Cause I don't know ifamily. Ngaba lo mqondo ukuthi okay. Like esibhedlela bathi no, if ifamily ungayithole ngiyeke ukuzongcotshwa government. But ngibuye ngithi okay, ingane unengane lo muntu. Mayingangcotshwa ifamily, mayingangcotshwa government. Kusasa bayazi vele usespread igama lami ukuthi behlala nami. Ngizobakhomba ukuthi ungcotshwe kuphi. Ngoba nami bengazi. Kwakhost ukuthi ngidinga ifamily ngize ngithole, ngibuye lesibhedlela sengithole le family. So kumele uthathe umzimba. Babuya sawuthatha umzimba. Kumele kuyele ngesinto sakithi. Ezilonga umuntu ungahambanga wayo ukwenza imfanelo. Awukwazi ukugibela imoto yomngcwaba. But I need to cross sonke izinto sangakithi. ngigibele imoto. Why ngigibele imoto is because ugulile yimina ngiyazi umkhuhlane. Kumele ngiyochazela umndeni ukuthi ugulile isikhathi esingakanani, ubephethwe yini, ushone nini. Yonke lento ibhekane nani? Ibhekane nami kuphela. Ngifika le yeve challenge. Bayambuza ubekhulelwe. Cha bengakhulelwanga. Ubesitshele kanjani ukuthi ukhulelweni. I need to face into eziningi. Ifamily kumele ngi-answer ama questions. And ama questions anonga wrong. And the time wena sithi ukhuluma iqiniso bayakuphikisa. Bathi namanga you defending yourself. Ngoba thina always selma victim ukuhlala sisidefender. And ngeke igama lakho lizwakale ebantwini makhuluma.
So manhlale lapha as a family bakhuluma nawe bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekeni kumntanabo mawubatshela ukuthi no kwenzekele sona so babona ngathi usokhuluma manga ungathi kunento uyenzile wena bawufila kanjani?
Yeah, cause information abebephiwe ukuthi ungathi nginesandla ekuhambeni kwakhe ngibambisane ne-girlfriend yami. So that was the point ukuthi ukuthi mina lo muntu nginesandla ukuthi ngimsuse empilweni yami ukuze sale siyephilo bani ne-girlfriend because was disturbing our life. Kanti umuntu beyiphathelwa into zakhe. Then after that ukuthi and ifamily ngeke unikeze that time ukuthi njengamanje njengoba ngichaza bahlale phansi bayibheke. You don't have that time. Bona bakutshela lento ofanele bakutshele yona wenze leyo nto. Mangifika le kuyakhulunywa ukuthi hayi ugolile isikhathi esingaka ushone isikhathi esingaka ubephethe umkhohlane so. Okay, bathula. Kwenze ukuthi kumele ufike isikhathi kungcwatshwe. Mabeqeda kuthiwa let's do a family meeting. Ngiyabuzwa futhi akupheni. Kwenzakeleni? Ngiyabachazela. Hlala isikhathi esingakanani nalo muntu? Was 5 months. Yena uthe ufuna indawo yokufuma wami for 2 weeks. But now it's 5 months. Sonke lezi sikhathi kuyaliwa. You don't have a peace. Isivumelwano sami sakhe usijampile. So now ngifuna aphume ngoba kasana qiniso. Now yimina sengi-victim. After that ke bangitshele bona. Athi okay. Lana ukuzophume la kulamagceke. Sifuna imali engaka. Lobole lo muntu.
Bathi bafuna imali.
Ekulaf 20,000.
Hey madoda.
Kumele ngikhiphe same time lapho. Ulobola lo muntu.
So ulobola isidumbu kahle.
So mina ngilobola isidumbu. Ukuthi ungene kanjani? They don't care. Ufike kanjani empilweni nami? They don't care. So mina ngilobola isidumbu.
Abo bana abo malume.
Ya sekufike nje labanye ngabaziyo. Abe family. Okay. So mina ngilobola isidumbu. Okay. Athi no. Ngeke yenzeke lento. Athi makuliwa kakuliwe once. Cause ngiyenza ubuntu. Yimini engilidingile. Belizokwazi njani ukuthi lo muntu akasekho emhlabeni? Kwasala kale impendulo. Yimini ebengigijima esibhedlela. Ngize lana because of ngizolichazela ukuthi ugula isikhathi esingakanani lo muntu. Ngoba akula family bekhona. Omunye wakhipha igama lokuthi hayi mangafuni ukuthi ukukhipha le mali esifunayo is fine. So hamba soqopha ithuna uzozilandela amalobolo ngokwakhe.
Sure.
Yonke le process ngama challenge abhekane nami. Ukuthi mina ngidlale indima bani ukuze afike la. They don't care.
So mawuzama ukubabonisa iproof ukuthi niyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo bayenzani kahle kahle.
No, even the family yami was against me again.
Hey man.
Wathi ngiyahlanya. Ngiye kusitshele wena lento yakho. Fustela yona. So lo muntu benegunya lonke eliphelele. Cause lasemndenini wami they were against me. To do into azade efuna ukuzenza ngegama lami. So I was facing all if life yami nje yonke nje. Kuleyo 5 months. Bengisilwe impezi eziningi isikhathi esisodwa. Kumele ngichaze ifamily, ngichazele igirlfriend ngapha ukuthi situation lesengiyo ngapha ikanjani. Mangichazele igirlfriend ngapha ngifacana lama challenges amaningi. And uloka understand lo yenza ngamabomu. Ukuthi life yami nje ibe mess. And for sure yaba mess. After that ukuthi ngithole isikhathi sokuchaza ngikhiphe okusesifubeni anzange ngisithole. Ngiqala ukuba right manje sekunomnyaka wonke kwenzekile lento.
Manje uphume kanjani lapha eNatal?
Asuwase Natal. Ubesebenzela khona ngaseZimbabwe ke. Kumele ngisuke la hambe lo mzimba. To eZimbabwe ke.
So kahle kahle lo muntu lo uphume eZimbabwe.
Yes.
Wahamba waye eNatal wahlala khona.
Wasebenza khona.
Manje wathola omunye umsebenzi allegedly wokushaya kahle kahle wathi hayi no ngithola umsebenzi yena bayafuna ukuza ngapha eGoli. And all of a sudden makashona you found out afterwards ukuthi lo muntu la akaphume eNatal lapho uphume eZimbabwe kahle kahle.
Yeah.
How much is it uthatha isidumbu from eGoli usize eZim roughly?
Yeah, it's about
30,000.
Yeah.
So you had to pay 30,000 to take that body from South Africa to Zimbabwe.
Like umthwalo wabalula kimi. Cause was serving a police.
Okay.
So esaphila wangitshela nakhona ukuthi I have a police eKingdom Blue.
Okay.
So I go there ngiyobheka ukuthi okay. Ngicela ukwazi ukuthi lo muntu ubebhadala kahle na. Athola ukuthi yonke into ibe right. And then umthwalo wabalula ke kanjalo.
Okay.
Because if kube kuthiwa ubengenayo society or ubengenayo police was another challenge again. Yabe sibhekane nami ngoba yonke lento bezofayila iphuma epocketini lami. Ukuze lento ihambe kahle. So I have a lot of challenge by that time. Into le ngithethe umnyaka ingidla. Until manje ngathi hayi ngiyamtolela kuko konke akwenzile. Naw somele ngisitolele kwamina. Ngoba even noma usami ukuyikhuluma njoba nsithi ukuthi bengumuntu wama life. They know abantu kuTikTok ukuthi ngavela esike still mamba bachazela ukuthi sangivela kanjani. Asiphesene ngumuntu wrong.
Manje family you spoke about the ladies from Zimbabwe. If family when they were looking for that bridal price, 20,000, was it in Zim dollar or they wanted it in rands?
Rands.
Mara abantu bakhohlakele yes. Abantu bakhohlakele straight. Yes.
No, kuyenzakala because singabantu, especially singabantu besilisa. Asina umkhulumeli. And everything they said leli game lokuthi sidlala ngabantu labantu. They don't know ukuthi there is a situation ukuthi umuntu akulande azokukhalela eduma help. After that wena umuntu one problem. Sebeqeda bebethi ngidlala ngabantu labantu. Ukuthi wena ufaceane iproblem ikuzube kulesi situation kufike kanjani they don't even care. so kumele wena ubhadale into ongayazi. Leso sikhathi kubhalwe igama lami ukuthi ngishonelwe manje, so kumele ngibuye ngichazele ifamily ukuthi cha, hayi ngale ndlela ngivume ngoba ngidinga usizo, ngoba into lomthwalo usungaphezulu kwami and sokumele ngithwale lo muntu, so kumele ngibe likhandlela lakhe lokuyamusa kubo, and I'm facing another challenges there ngoba nabo batshela ukuthi ubehlala le ndoda. Akazange akhuluma ukuthi bengicela usizo ebantwini ngoba family belingekho. Now I'm facing challenge again engamanga futhi, so lento isisala isidla mina ngedwa kuyo yonke lento. So kuyizinto ezithi iziyenzeka izinto, we are blaming one gender ukuthi laba bantu bafika kanjani, they don't even care. Yeah.
And we show ukuthi after you paying that 20,000, you have to take that body and go bury it for yourself, by yourself, with your family. It means that.
Nakhona bebekushilo lokho bathi okay, lana siyakuzwela, you're gonna take this thing singabe ngokuya kwethu ubuzohamba yomncwaba wethu bese ngeke simamukele, because they were funa ukuthini ngiqale ngilobole first bese beyamyamukela. That's the process okumele bengakhona. But the fact ukuthi kunalaba faile khona, kunala ingene khona, ube kumele kungene bona bangabi bikho kwaba nami kwabashaya waforced ukuthi angcono simthathe. After that bathi sesibuyela back to kumele uyenze so, uma ungayenzanga so thina sizokwenza so, sizokubonisa. Lo muntu asazana ukuthi sihlangane kanjani akula muntu mazi. Inkulumo ifika isijika mase ngifika ku family bathi yimina ngimthethe from Durban esebenzela ngamletha la. Lesikhathi angimazi mina, ngithi ngisiza umphefumulo nje, umuntu odinga usizo ngiyamsiza, kanti ngisikwaza ngowami. Sengifeyisana lezinto ezirongo, mamba atshele ukuthi lento ayikho right, into le ime kanje, yimina nginamanga, I'm defending myself entweni ebengiyenza ngamabomu.
I really think that sometimes Tina njengamadoda, when we take women and we stay with them, regardless of maybe we are dating or maybe you're trying to help, because a lot of men, they are actually a victim of what happened to you, all in the name of trying to help, and we don't think of what could potentially happen. If you are staying with that lady and you're not even married to that lady and something happened to that lady, maybe she passes on, one way or another, you're going to face the family, and that's the dangers of things. You're going to face the family, and most families, they may actually require you to pay a bridal price, whereby you end up marrying a dead person. And the minute when you pay that money, they need to give you that body so that you are the one who's going to bury that body. That time you were not even planning, to be in a long-term relationship with that person. I need to maybe maybe I'm just helping, or maybe it's a job or something. Most of the time we are actually not aware.
Lezo zinto ziba nzima kithi singabantu besilisa, and I'm not the one offace lento.
Yeah,
there is many things sifesana lezi zinto lezi ngoba thina siphiwa amagama ukuthi indoda akayikhali, indoda akayikhulumi, sifela ngaphakathi. But we are facing this challenge every day.
Yeah,
silahlekelwa izinto ngomuntu ofikile wangabi neqiniso empilweni. Now you are a victim. Bayazi bona ukuthi abantu besifazana bayazi kahle ukuthi if wayenza lento you're in trouble. So ngaboshwa, you're facing a family again. They know ifamily mayihleli la. If bebengamnaki esaphila. Mayisekashonile bazovela.
Yeah.
But why ungasitshelanga? I don't have the contact. I was facing that question.
Hey, and then
Why
they don't want
ungaza-
to listen. Yeah.
Why ungazanga kithi?
Yeah. Yeah.
Njoba ubuhlala la lo muntu. Why ungazanga kithi? Lesikhathi angibazi. Nokuthi bahlala bangibazi. Ngibadinge sebeshonile seshonile lo muntu. Nakhona ngimdinga is because of bese ngithatha ifoni yakhe. Anyone ofona efonini yakhe sengibuza ukuthi wena ungubani. Lo muntu akasekho emhlabeni idinga ifamily.
But again, brother SK, you know, if a family says, "Waungazi kithi, asukwazi wena," they don't mean that you must just go and visit them. No. What they're trying to say is that you have to come at least so that you can pay something, you know, and that's the initiation of lobola. You know, there's no way a family, especially there's tough families. There's no way a family they can just say, "No, ngena. Oh, when you're chola, I need to. Oh, yamsiza." No. It'll be disrespectful to them.
You can't do noma ngithi ngivele nje nanga umuntu sekuyile kimi udinga usizo noma sengithandana naye ngivele ngivuke ngithi I want to visit.
Yeah, true.
Kunendlela yokwenziwa ngesintu.
True.
Yabo. But uma umuntu ezodinga usizo la khona for 2 weeks. Isiphi isidingo sokuyafuna abantu?
True.
Because I'm helping this person.
Yeah.
I-situation angakiyo. But at the end of the day, yimina esesenkingeni.
Eish.
Sengifacea nama-questions amaningi. Why ungazanga kithi? Wazositshela ukuthi usuhlala naye.
Because you were just helping.
Abayi-understandile ukuthi I was helping. Because igama lithi yimina engimsuse la abekhona ngazomletha la. That's the problem. Wena masukhuluma, they are against you.
Mm-hmm.
Anything that you ozayikhuluma, they are against. Noma emantu ngibatshele emphakathini ukuthi guys, laba abantu laba balunganga. Baphezulu kwento esona so. They are against you again. Wena wrong. Lo muntu right. I was facing that thing. Ukuthi okay. Isidingo sokuthi athathe impahla ngeyami. Ufuna usizo but athathe impahla ngeyami. Ayenyangeni nayo. Is what for?
Yeah.
Now I'm fighting for spiritually, physically, emotionally. Ngiyasiza sengifela ukusiza kwami. Now they're destroying me. Negama lami. From there, ngilahlekelwe yonke into. Ngaze cishe ngalahlekelwe yimina.
I'm sure when you're going through all of that, your girlfriend, your main girlfriend, I'm sure she had cut you off.
Wavele nje wahlehlele emuva. Sahlukana. I'm alone to this miss. No one can explain ukuthi guys, I'm facing this thing. Ngize ngafisa, I think it was twice, to drink a poison, to cut it off. Because bengasazi ukuthi ngiyaphila noma ngifile. Because the pain ebenginayo ngizoyitshela bani? Mangitshela umuntu jika khombe mina. Ngwena wrong. Yimina ngiyazi iqiniso. Fike kanjani yimina ngiyazi. But now yimina wrong. I take a poison. I'm stay with my family. Ngathi ngifuna baphume. Mabe phuma, I drink that poison. Bathule sengithule. But imbanjwe into yodwa. That time I'm thinking to drink a poison. Kofona ingane yami. Yathi uyabuya nini emakhaya. Siyakukhumbula. Ukusurvive kwami. I put that poison. Ngathi kulabantu abangidingayo. Either ngisenkingeni engakanani, ngifesane lobunzima obungakanani, laba abantu abangeni kuleyo nto badinga mina uqobo. I put that poison, ngagibela ngihamba emakhaya. From there, ilife yami yaqala ukutshintsha. I'm facing that pain, but I having a hope. Ngizodlula kiyo. Ngaze ngadlula kiyo permanently. Ngaba right. But konke okundilahlekele akukavuyi konke. Vele ngasarenda ngathi okay, ngilahlekelwe yonke into ngabangane everywhere, everyone obeseduze kimi bangilahlekele. Ngathi okay, it's fine. Mabahambe. This pain is iqondane nami. I will pass alone. Aze ngadlula kikho. Namhlanje ngiright.
Brother man, I'm sorry for what happened to you. But sometimes you get to a level whereby the pain is just too much, and the pain is not a physical pain whereby ulimele on your body, but it's a pain from inside. And nobody can see that pain. It's only you who can feel it, you know. And I'm happy that at least when you're about to drink that poison, you know, your family, your child got to call you and gave you a reason why you should be living, you know, because I can imagine the place where you were in, and I even thought of your family, you know, that maybe Abu Angel, they could be there to defend you, but they were also against you, you know. Even one of your family members took this lady to accompany her so that she can go to a whole sangle, you know. It's quite disappointing. So the way that I'm looking at it, it's like you are all by yourself, you know. But I wanted to ask you that the time when they were asking that 20,000 rands and you were saying that you don't have it, and you can't do what they're asking you, how did the conversation end?
Kube nzima. Because yakumele uyenze lento bakutshela yona at the right time. Mamba tshela ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukuyenza lento. Because I have a reason to why ngakwazi ukuyenza. Because lo muntu akuyena igirlfriend yakho. And nakhona mbe ngababuza ngathi okay, litshelweni nina bathi lo muntu ukhulelwe ngesintu thina akancwaji umuntu ekhulelwe. Limngoba kanjani makuthi ukhulelwe? In fact umalume before siyofika lemakhaya, umalume ngahlangana naye ngipreparing amaphepha wonke into ukuthi akwazi ukuphuma la epolice sihambe semakhaya. Angibuza that question again. Lo muntu lona ushone ekhulelwe. Ngathi cha, angikwazi lutho mina. Let's go back to ngapi? Esibhedlela. Udoctor uzokhuluma yonke lento. He refused to go there. Ngathi ngizofonela udoctor mina. Ngathi let's go together because nama ngazi. Ngifuna ukwazi nami ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani because nginendlela lesinto sakithi sokwenza lento. Ngoba umuntu akangcwatshwa njani eshonile ekhulelwe. And ngesinto sakithi umuntu mayikhulelwe kumele umhlinze, uhlinzwa yimina, nginikaza umthwalo ukhiphe lento lezingane. Akuzange kwenzeke konke lokho. Still I'm facing the problem. Facing ama questions. So ziningi izinto bembhekane nazo. And if uma ukuthi senze izinto ngendlela, ngifuna ukuthi naye abe nempendulo right, nami ngibe lempendulo right. They refuse to do that. Babuye bona bazokuquestiona again. But ngapha bayenza into ecorrect. Ukuthi noma esefika ngale afika chaza ukuthi cha le nkulumo esitholile akusiyona. Udokotela ukhulumile everything iphepha nanti liyasho ukuthi ayi ubulawi yini, cause of death ube njani na ubekhulelwe noma cha. But I didn't get that. Science ifika lapho bavele bangiphushele kudeni. Inhloso yabo ukuthi kufanele ngiyolobola ini isidumbu. I refused there and then I started to fight. Ngathi no angeke ngikwenze lokho. Makunjalo asiboneni physically ngezadla ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani. And then sebeqala unthreaten ukuthi okay if mawafuna ukwenza lokho wena uzozibonela uzobuya uzozilandela amalobolo akhe thina soshayithuni. This process ekwenza ngidingela abantu efuna ukumbulala. Now it's a family again. They threaten me. Uvusa umuntu emathuneni ezomosha again impilo. Phezulu kwale impilo eseyimoshile phila. Sezomile ezomosha impilo njani? Eseshonile futhi again. It will destroy ubuyimi bami. Ukulunga kwami negama lami. Ukuthi yonke lento esengiyisebenzile nakuthi kuthiwa bayikhuluma ukuthi this person umuntu onjani. They want to destroy everything. Ukuthi lo muntu ozathi mayekhuluma ngo-SK akusinguye lo muntu ocabanga ukuthi ungoyi. Sebestetha lezi zinto. Ibesenzeka empilweni yami. Unfortunately kuthe kuyenzeka lokho bagcina sebesilwa bebodwa. In that mase besilwa bebodwa kusho ukuthi akusela into engayenza. Ngangena emotweni. Came back to South Africa. I live it like that. And namhlanje akula noyedwa ake khuluma naye. Akula noyedwa ake check ukuthi since kunje uphume kule into le unjani. Sebuthi komuntu oyedwa nje uphela ngumuntu obefika angicheka angifonela right ngithi ayingrand. Athi okay bengicheka. Sikhuluma ama jokes njengensuku zonke. But ukuthi njengoba ngihleka ngiyenza ama jokes kulento engidla ngaphakathi abayinanzelele. I end up imphele emzimbeni kancane kancane. Ngabuya ngaphika think ngiphike last month ikwalapho sengizizwa khona ukuthi hayi manje ngathi sengiyabuyela. But all this since last year April until this year azani right at all. Noma ngihleli ngisahlala kuleyo ndlo futhi lokho sanikeza those memories again. Ngibuye ngizibuza futhi ukuthi phezulu kokusiza kwami iphutha lami libe kuphi. Bengithi ngiyasisa now sensenkingeni libe kuphi iphutha lami lapho.
Ngiyaxolisa bhuti wami yazi. Yeah, no, yeah, ngiyaxolisa, but thank you. Thank you for sharing. You know, I know it hasn't been easy for you. But you had to be strong for yourself and for your kids. You know. But when I look at you now, I can see a very strong man.
Yeah. Ngiyazama ukuziqinisa, but ngibe right. Kancane. But several times kube ngikhuluma kuba ngisekho. Because I was every day kuyafana. Ngizwa ubuhlungu. Mangichazela abantu, they are against me. Let me drink a poison.
Yeah.
Ngizihambele nje kanjani. And I know after that ukuthi mangize ngishonile bazothi why ngakhulumanga. But I'm telling them every day, ngiyimi futhi onjalo wrong. At okay, to be easy,
Yeah.
let me take a poison.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, mangithi ngizama uthatha poison. Let me drink a poison ngizibulale once. Mepho uhlungu benhliziyo lo buza liphele. Angisafuni ukukhuluma nomuntu.
I really think that it's not really a good idea for you to drink the poison. And I'll tell you why. Because if you drink the poison and you pass on, you would be proving them right. Because they would be thinking that, yeah, he's wrong. He knows what happened to that lady. So now he can't handle it anymore. So he thought of taking his life. So I don't think something like that needs to happen. I'm just thinking for your child, the one who's in Makai, that you need to be alive for that child. This thing that happened, it's not even your fault. You were just trying to help. Even though people, like after what this is my first time meeting you, but after you telling me your story, I can see that, look, you are one of those victims whereby a lady wants to come and they want to take advantage of you. Worst part, this lady wanted to destroy you. And she was confessing that she wants to destroy you. And now that she failed to destroy you, now her family wants to destroy you. They want to finish you off. I don't think that's fair. I think that's very much unfair. Even though, culture things, you're supposed to pay this much and that much because they're accusing you, Uguti, you guys were dating and yet you are not even dating. But they're forcing you to pay money that you don't even have. That time you already paid a little bit of some money. It's not even a little bit of some money. It's a lot of money, whereby you have to take the body from South Africa to Zimbabwe. That's not a joke.
Kunzima uba indoda. Kunzima.
It's not easy.
Like ukufuna ukuthatha kwami poison was not to prove ukuthi I'm right or I'm wrong. But is to finish that pain. That's my mission. To finish that pain. Because I'm sick and tired. Ngibuye ngicabanga abantwana mazobachiya. They don't know kwenzakalani kimi. But the pain ilokhu yasho. I want to finish this pain. So let me take my life. But unfortunately wafona ingane. At self-deem. I put that pain aside. I put that class aside. I said, no. Let me go and see these people. Because I have 2 kids. Let me go and see them. Safika saba yepi. I forgot everything. I take that moment happiness yami nengane zami. I always put it in my mind. To flash that pain. Always. If I say that I'm thinking too much, I take that video from our kids and then look at them. We are so happy. I can't take my life. Live this happiness. Let me stay for this happiness. Into ebengihlala ngisilona every day. Ngabona ukuthi namhlanje no I'm down, I'm right. I go there to my phone. Thathela ama video. Iba right. Angisabuye ebantwini ngithi angikho right. I'm thinking with this mess. I know ukuthi umuntu uzongitshelani and etabe ngicine senginolaka.
Yeah.
Kumbe ngicine sengikwatile. Ngaphuma ebantwini ngangena kulama video engane. I do ingane zami. Watch those videos. I was happy at home. Then sengqala kumacabanga kahle. Okay. Bangisizile. kube angisekho emhlabeni
Yeah.
because of bona ngisaphila.
When did this happen?
Last year April.
Yo. That's last year.
Last year April. So this April was 1 year.
Sure. How are you feeling?
Now I'm okay. Sengidlulisile. It's fine. Baxolele bonke ababezama ukukwenza kimi. Ngathi hayi. Yeke ngikwazi ukulwa nabo. Kulezi zinto kumele ngifocus kizo empilweni, kulezi zinto kumele ngizenze. Bathethelele abakwazi ukuthi bekwenza. That's the thing that they taught me. Masitshele empilweni yami ngathi hayi. Bathethelele abakwazi abakwenzayo. Ekade bekwenza kimi. Mina bengithi ngiyasiza bangijikela. Kulungile.
You know, I'm a married man, and before I got married, one of the lessons that I was told by my uncles is that do not stay with the woman that you're not married to. Regardless ukuthi maybe umama akhe wakwazi okanye kanjani, do not stay with the woman that you're not married to, because if anything would happen to that lady, if she passes on, you're going to marry that body. So the best thing that you can do for yourself is either that lady leaves or you get to marry that lady alive. So this is what I'm actually learning from you today. And I hope that other men that are watching this, they will also get to learn. That even if you could have the most beautiful heart whereby you're trying to help a lady, do not stay with that lady.
Yeah, imessage engayichiya kubona ukuthi angifuni umuntu afane nami. Because mina ngifaceile.
Yeah.
Ngendlela endlula khona, akekho umuntu ongadlula kulesi simo ngendlela endlule ngakhona. So imessage engayichiya kubona bobabukeli abangibukele njengamanje. Don't help anyone. That's all. Don't try to help. Because uzofacana nalento engifacane nayo. And okubuhlungu ukuthi wena iqiniso yalazi, they turn it back to you. Unamanga. So kumele ufacane nani? Nama consequences. Yezinto ezenziwani ngamabomu. Don't help anyone. That's why namanje mina ngikhule ngisazi ngezinto zavithi. Akunamfazi ohluphekayo. Sikhule sazi noma ngihambe esigangeni mangishonelwe lelanga. Ingane yami nomfazi bakhona ukulala endlini. Mina lale ngaphandle. It's fine. Now I understand ukuthi silane egoli. Why the most abantu abaningi behlupheka is because sihlakaniphe kakhulu. That's why labafazi manje sobathola epakini. It's because of this thing. Ukusiza umuntu ugcina senkingeni. Don't help anyone. Ipaki izobasiza. Uze siphume kulento kungabi lo munye ozofana nami ozoba lenkinga ambhekane nayo idlule kuyo azithole sekuyo. Don't help anyone. Umuntu othi gcina indawo kuhlala kuwe.
Yeah.
Don't help.
Brother SK, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate your time and you getting to share your story. It's funny how a small thing as TikTok, it is a big thing, but a small DM can lead up to a disaster, like what you just told me now, just through, can I have your number, my inbox, lapaya ku TikTok, and it can lead to this. Look at you now, you went through the most hectic thing, but you came out alive. You almost lost your life, but you are strong. I'm sure you've learned so much about, what happened. So I just wanted to thank you for coming through and being brave to share your story with us.
Hayi, ngiyabonga.
Thank you.
Nami ngibonga ukuthi thatha isikhathi sakho, unikeze indlebe zakho, and then ungilalele.
Thank you. Ngiyabonga bafo.